guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. In today's video, we will be talking a little bit about our app called e-learning. We're going to do a quick overview about the features that it has and what it actually does and how it works, okay? So first of all, we're here in the home page. We can see exactly how many courses we have created already, how many students are with us, how many teachers, and how many lessons, okay? We can create a course through this button over here, or if we click in courses in this left side menu, there is the same button over here available for us, okay? So once you create a course, it is going to appear in your course list right over here. And in this case, I have two. You can see which category they're in. You can see their options, okay? And you can click here to edit them. You can see their names and their teachers, okay? I have added myself as a teacher for these tutorials and also when I was playing around with the app, okay? So over here in test results, once you have test done and your lessons and your students go ahead and take these tests, you will be able to see the results, okay, for these tests. So over here, if you go ahead and click student info, you can see exactly how your student did in this test, and in this case it's only one question, okay? So if we click right over here in attempt info, we're gonna see that there's one question right here and one answer, okay? So there you go, guys. This is it for the test results. We can go over here now into teachers, and we will also have a list for our teachers, okay? Once again, I made myself as a teacher, and you can create one right through this button over here, okay? Over here you can edit their information, basic information, and even put a profile picture for your teacher, okay? And over here in translation, guys, we have made a German translation, and this you use this once you make a lesson and you make a test. You can create your own translations by translating certain keywords of your tests and of your lessons. So if maybe a German person goes in to take an e-learning course, you have that available for them, okay? So pretty much, guys, that is it. We're not going to go into too much about this app and its features, okay? This was just a quick overview of what we have available for you regarding this app, okay? So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.